Hello friends and my brothers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Saga Review Store. In this video I am doing the review of one of the rarely found hub motor kit, 48 volt 750 watt Mxus company hub motor kit. Dear friends, this kit can be used in any normal cycle or 7-speed gear cycle where 7 speed exists, and apart from that this is mostly used in customized bikes or in off-road bikes, as this hub motor has good torque and speed also. So dear friends, without wasting any time, let's start the specification details that you will get in this kit. So starting from the motor, this is 48 volt 750 watt gearless hub motor with a disc brake mounting adjustment on the left side of the axle, and on the right side there you will find a chain sprocket fitting. Let me give you a review, a look on the left side and on the right side also. So the model number XF4196001699. This is in pure copper winding with 36 holes, and this hub motor can be fitted from 20 to 28 inch any bicycle. The open size of the axle is 135 mm, and this hub motor produces a very good torque and speed also at the same time. Now with this hub motor, it comes with a compatible controller of the same company. You can see Mxus motor controller, rated voltage 48 volt. Maximum current that it can discharge through this controller is 25 plus minus 1 ampere. The model number is ZT9F and it is of Mxus. Now let me explain the wiring details of this controller. It is very easy, plug and play type. These are the 3-phase wire which you will find on the hub motor also, the same color 3-phase wire, so you have to match it with color to color. And the 2 wire, black and red, is for power supply 48 volt. Red is for positive and black is for negative. There are 2 ports given like this for the power supplies or the main supply with thick wires. So coming to the next, this is for the hall sensor which you will find on the motor, and the rest are very easy. You will find 2 wires of same color and same port, black and white. This is for electric brakes. For this electric brakes you will get 2 e-brakes of good quality, not of low quality. As you can see, this you will get 2 pair of brake levers, so that 2 wires are for e-brakes, and 1 green, red, black is for your throttle, and the other red, green and black is for the pedal assist sensor, which I will come later on when I will explain each of the components in detail. This is for pedal assist sensor, and you will get 12 magnet pedal assist sensor, and this is for LED mode selection display, the one which you will through you can select a mode of speed. Now this is the thing that you will get, and it has 5 wires. So this, the same coupler you will get in controller also, this one, the one which I was talking. This is for LED display. With the help of this you can switch on the whole system. I will make a separate video on the working of also the connections This is on off, and this is the mode selection. In the low speed you will get a slow speed. In the medium you will get more speed than as compared to the low one, and in the third you will get more speed, and this will indicate the battery level. So you can mount this in your handle. It has mounting clamp also. So now let's move to the other components which you will get in this kit. Is pedal assist sensor of 12 magnet. I am providing 12 magnet pass so that you can get a good smooth ride. If you want to get a smooth assist from your pedaling through the motor, 12 magnet is recommended rather than 8 one, because the 8 will not have that much of sensing power as compared to 12. So you will get this. It has 3 wires which will be connected to the controllers. This is the throttle, and if you want to order this kit you can WhatsApp me, and my WhatsApp number is given in the description box. And dear friends, let me tell you one thing. If you don't want this throttle, and if you want thumb throttle with key and voltage display also, that thing also can be provided, but that will need an extra charge. So this is the throttle. It will have the same 3 wires. These 2 are for the switch, which you can be used in any other accessories. I am providing this CY Gold 12 volt converter also. It will convert 48 volt to 12 volt, and the output you can get maximum of 10 amp you can use. So this is 12 volt DC converter. And the most and the good thing about this kit is you will get a digital speedometer, which I used to sell in accessories, but I am providing in this kit also. So obviously this kit is not a low budget kit, let me tell you before, and there is no cash on delivery. You have to pay the amount before dispatching, and the full payment after that only the material will be dispatched to your address. And there are only 4 sets of this hub motor kit, so grab it if you want to fit it in your cycle. If you want a great speed above 60, approx above 60 or above 50 to 60, it is definitely that you will get from this hub motor the speed. And this is digital speedometer. Let me tell you the functions that you will get in this digital speedometer is that you will get a speed display in 2 variants, one in digital and the other in analog, where it will show a bar. 2 variants in battery level indication also, one in battery level type and the other in voltage also. It will display voltage also. The third thing, it has temperature sensor wire, so if you want to make battery pack, you can take this sensor wire to the battery pack. That will sense the temperature, and if it is overheated due to some overloading, then it will automatically cut off the whole system to make secure and safe. And the rest functions are like it has left indication status, right indication status, and front light indication status also. Let me show you all. I think it is not visible in the camera, although it is not visible, but there is 3 lights available here. And you will find odometer also, how many kilometers you have run your bike. There is a mounting this, and there are 6 wires, one for positive, one for negative, one for speed, which you can connect to any of the 3-phase wire, and the rest 3 are for the 3 12 volt lights for left, right and front light, 12 volt indication status. So this meter you are going to get. So dear friends, if you want to purchase this kit, you can WhatsApp me. I hope all the details I have provided in this video is enough for your purchase. You can install in any one of the bicycle, whether it is off-road bike also you can install this hub motor kit, in normal cycle also, in gear cycle also, but only the one thing is this is rear hub motor. Okay, rear bicycle hub motor, and you can install it in from wheel size 20 to 28 inch. So if you have any query related to this hub motor kit, you can contact me. And let me remind you again, there is no cash on delivery, okay, and you will get warranty of 6 months on the motor and on the controller and on the digital display. So thank you friends for watching, and in the next video, I will not on the next video, probably after 2 or 3 videos, I will make a video of its working, about the connection, and I will show you how to connect and how it runs. So thank you friends, and please do support by subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to press that like button, and if you have any query, please leave on the comment section box. Thank you friends.